I'm hungry.
Hi viewers, welcome to Taj Foods. Today we're making our refreshing Mojito Taj Food style. So without further ado, let's begin. If you like our videos, click the red subscribe button. Next to it, click the bell icon and you'd get notifications for our recipes for free. Don't forget to like, share and comment. The ingredients that we need for this simple drink is 1 lemon, a handful of mint leaves and a handful of ice. First of all, we need to slice our lemon. We will slice them in circles like so, and then cut them again to make semicircles. Add the sliced lemon to the glass. Add the mint to the glass as well. Use a pestle and gently crush the lemon and the mint leaves. After that, add some ice. Now fill the glass with cream soda. If cream soda is not available, you could use 7-Up or Sprite.
I'm hungry.
Now stir thoroughly. You could decorate the glass with mint leaves and lemon slices. Here you go, our refreshing and yummy drink is ready in such a short time. Enjoy!
I'm hungry.